So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see right here, that is your model number and serial number, and 50 US gallon capacity. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and register this to get your warranty going. It's 1 year labor and 6 years parts from the time it was installed, and so you can take care of that at your convenience. Up top we give you a new venting pipe coming down. The old water heater was sitting off the wall about 3 inches, and then a piece of dual ball B vent was going up, and it's not required except for in the attic, that 2-layer vent pipe, and we like to strap it against the wall. So brand new straps here, upper third and lower third, and then the water heater's pushed all the way back, and then just an offset fitting here, offset fitting at the top, piece of pipe. So that's all brand new venting. We like to do that. We like to replace as much as we can when we install a water heater. That way you don't call us back in 3 months, 6 months, and one little component is leaking or whatever that's not ours, and then you're not happy with us. So brand new shutoff valve. That's a Watts 3/4 inch quarter turn valve, on and off. So off, on, just like that. That's your piping coming out of the wall. It's galvanized pipe, the entire home, so nothing we can do about that, but it is a brass ball valve, brass nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector. These are the largest in the industry, is 0.75 inside diameter, and ultra flexible. You can take these apart and straighten them out and bend them over and over again. Occasionally you might have to replace the gaskets in here, but same thing on this side, Falcon stainless steel connector. We do attach brass extensions down to the tank. Sometimes we have a little bit of trouble with the plastic insert that sits at the top of this. The little heat trap sits in the top of the hot and the cold, and it's plastic, kind of a weird angle, and sometimes there's a conflict with sealing. So we just put brass on there, file it, and tighten it up. It's all good. So we've checked all this for leaking. Occasionally take a step out here, open up this compartment and take a look and see if anything doesn't look correct to you. If it doesn't, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of it. But once we leave, we can't monitor these. We're pretty good at what we do. It's been going on 43 years in the trades, 33 plumbing, and so we do our best to get it installed correctly and no leaking for the life of the water heater. But anyway, so it's 1 year guarantee. Relief valve comes with the water heater. This is temperature and pressure relief. A little valve will pop off right here if something's going on in here and there's too much temperature and or pressure, and it will drain out into this existing line, which is sitting down here. And again, and this is a ProFlow connector coming around. This is straight out of Ferguson, and that connects just a drain line, so no water in this line unless something's going wrong. And again, the straps are in. There's your documentation. Down here we give you a brand new gas shutoff valve, and then of course a gas connector, so all brand new. And then here, as you can tell, right here it says scalding risk increases with hotter water. So right now you can see it's at hot, which is 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We do not recommend adjusting this up at all. At B140, you got 30-degree burns in 3 seconds. If you're infant or elderly with thinner skin, with very thin skin, then 1 second you're going to the hospital. So if you're having trouble with hot water in the home, it may be specific to the fixture itself, such as a tub or a shower valve is not getting hot or staying hot, or something's going on up there, probably a cartridge replacement, even a sink could be the same problem. With the new water heater, you've got hot water coming out of here, 120 degrees. Easiest way to tell the temperature is right here is the relief valve. You pop that off and fill that bucket full of water and put a thermometer in there. That's the real temperature. What's happening in the home is separate than what the water heater's producing. So anyways, this all looks good. Swept everything out. There's a little bit of corrosion around the walls, whatnot. Not too bad. You've got some openings in the walls as well, so that's not great, but there's nothing we can do with that. The cold water and the hot water, that's the way it was when we got here, so nothing we can do. But anyways, water is heating. Should have hot water in a couple hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.